la la la. To your massage. Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I am fine, gorgeous. Hello gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. If it's your first time stopping by, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. Are welcome. So all I do here, I review wigs. I'm not a hairstylist, so if you're a beginner like me, I share with you guys how you can install your wig without wasting time. On those days that you don't have time to go to the salon, you just want to pop your wig on and you're good to go, then girl, you are in the right place. So today I'll be working with this hair from Ashimary Hair. The hair is bob, came in this pack you're seeing here. Ooh, I like this. Is it green? Yeah, I like this green. This turquoise green, they call this crown. Okay, so let me bring the wig out. It's bob. You know bob, you can rock it anytime, and we are in summer, you cannot go wrong with it. So the wig came with so many goodies in here. It came with wig cap. Wow, it came with a wig brush, an elastic bar. Ooh, thank you Ashimary Hair. Came with these. Ooh, oh, thank you so much. And also there is edge brush and a pair of lashes. I like these lashes. They are 3D lashes. 3D lashes. And that is all. Wow, this is much, okay? You see, all this came with the wig. So when you place an order from them, all these goodies will come with your wig too, not just me alone, okay? Just place an order, you will see they will include all this in your wig. By the way, I'm going to leave all the information from the description. If you're interested, you can check that out. And I'm checking to see if there's any discount code. You guys know how we do it. I'm going to leave all on the description. In case if you are interested, you're going to see all information about this wig. Wow, this wig is bob, right? How many inches is this? Is it written on it? 99G Bobo 10 4x4 lace wig. The color is pepper. Wow, I love this red. Ooh, see. This is so cool. I like the texture of the hair. It's so soft. There is no smell and there is no shedding. Oh, you can see it. It's 4x4 and the hairline came plucked. Okay, they plucked little of the hairline, but even if you don't pluck it, it's 4x4 and it's bob. Doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. You see it, but the lace is not bleached. We're going to do little magic to that. Inside the wig, there are some combs at the back and beside the comb, and by the side of the at the back and by the side of the wig, and also it came with inbuilt adjustable strap. So since I'm not gluing this wig down, all I'll need to do, I'll just use the inbuilt adjustable strap to hold the wig. So I'm going to cross this one to this side. Startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. Then I'll cross this other one. So I'll just secure this like this. That's all. The back will be like this. So guys, this is it on my head. You can see that it's really secured. I use the combs as well to secure the wig to my. So guys, I also use the combs to secure the wig to my head. You can see it. This is it. It's really good. Just you can see the bob. Oh, I like this. I like the length. I like the way it is. Okay, let me use wax stick to take the flying hair down. But you can see all these hair that are flying. See this? Let me use wax stick. With wax stick, all those hair are going to lay down. They will respect you. With your wax stick, they will respect you. They need to obey. You don't need to do much. Just like this, and that is all. Okay, I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. hair, if you want to bring out baby hair, you can bring out baby hair. It all depends on what you want. You can see that the lace is so white, but don't worry, I'm just going to use my bronzing powder, brownish, and we use that here, then to open also the party. You see, because it's white, with this is going to change the color of the lace. You see that I don't need to bleach the knots of the lace. I'll use it also to touch the edge, touch the hairline. So with that, you see, it's as easy as that. Even if you don't do this, it's already bob. I just want to like straighten it and bob it more. So guys, that is it. You see, that's all you need to do. I did not glue it down. It's perfect. You see this bob. Ooh, ooh. This hair from Ashimary is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Let me show you guys the back of it.
It happened last week when I stopped by your place. My hands were
So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. You see how I'm looking gorgeous. Okay, and please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for doing that, and that bell icon. And if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on the like button. I will see you guys in my next one. Today, remain gorgeous. Don't forget, all information about this wig will be on the description, so check that out. In case if you're interested, you just pop this on and you're good to go. You don't need to do anything. Okay, all right guys, ciao, bye, ciao.
we can stay up late.